Hello everybody, welcome to Mariposa Makeup 13 and we are back. We are also in a new month. Could you believe it? We are already in February. Like, where is this year going so fast? But the most exciting news is what do I have right now? And it just arrived today, Ipsy. And guess what? We also have the icon box. And who did the icon box this time? It is Gwen Stefani. So I am so excited because I've been seeing some sneak peeks here and there, and I'm telling you, they look amazing. The spoilers that I've seen, and I'm like, oh my god, I just wish, but I don't know. I never know what I'm going to get because since it's a PR package, like it's gifted to me, I don't really get to choose, but doesn't matter because I am so grateful that I am part of their program because I get to get some nice goodies and also show them to you guys, so you guys could also get into a subscription because it's definitely a must. You do not want to miss out on getting makeup, skincare, even hair care. Like, you do not want to miss out. This subscription is the best. So let's get into what is the theme for this month. And here is the card, and it is called It's Self-Love Affair. So that is for the month of February, and I have them all laid like right beside me, so it's making me easier. So when I do the unboxing, and it's even better like that because if I have to be taking it out of the box and all that, oh my god, it's a lot of work. So let's make it easier. So right now, here is the Ipsy bag, and let's open it up. So looking for this month, the bag is this way, and it's really cute. It's a nice packaging, like the material is so cute. I always love the different design and styles they have for their Ipsy bag, glam bag. So the Ipsy glam bag has, I think it's 5 deluxe samples, and they definitely always have nice items because that means you could try the samples, and then after you could upsize, meaning that if you like the product, after you could, you know, get a full size, because that's what's better. It's always good to try out the sample, so then after you know, okay, I want to commit to getting a full size, right? So let's open it up and see what we have here. So the first item here, wow, look at that. It is a setting spray. This is Mall Beauty, and it's called Set It Up setting spray. So it's cute. I love setting spray because I'm always doing my makeup and I always need the makeup to stay, so this is the best, having a setting spray. And also you need the setting powder, like the powder, to make sure that everything stays in place. The next item here is Sonage, and this is Saffron Energizing Vitamin Mask, and this is how she looks, and this helps to hydrate and firm skin. So this is definitely a must to get because, I mean, it looks good by the ingredients. That's why I'm saying it must get, because I love face masks. So I'm all there for like having the skin hydrated and more firm skin, because it's something that we definitely are looking as when we are getting towards, you know, older. Yeah, and it has really great ingredients as well, like the Solukin line. So, and it's like they say, new natural. So definitely, I think I have received another item from them, and it is like, I don't know if it's like a face mist or something, but I still have, and it's in this size as well, so it's definitely good when we get a sample, right? So the next item here, it is the Perfect Stroke Mascara Volume Universe, and this is from Rare Beauty. Ooh. Can you believe I still have not tried from Rare Beauty the liquid blush? Hopefully one time I do get at least a mini, or I will have to go to Sephora to pick up at least 1 or 2, because I've seen them so much and people always telling me they are the best, and I've seen they are the best because they're pigmented and they give this nice beautiful look. So I definitely have to go to get the mascara. So this is how she looks. And I love how they have the designer thing, but I'm not going to open it up because I already have too many mascaras, and I'm just gonna keep this put until I will get to it. But definitely nice to have, we have like a mini mascara. So let's see. Oh yeah, there's 2 more items here that were not in the bag. So this item here is Wonder Beauty, and this is the gold eye mask. So how many are in here? Oh, there's 2. yeah, it comes with there's two pairs, like, see, it comes like that. So I cannot wait. I love eye mask, and I'm telling you, it's the best way to self-care moments. So definitely a must to have another, because I love face mask and eye mask. So I'm always gonna say a must to have, because it's something so relaxing to have this moment where you do nice using skincare and you find something good. And it's also, you know, it's nice to have that time, because you take off your makeup, you have a nice chilling time, and use an eye mask or a face mask, and you just relax and say, that's it, I'm going to disconnect from all the world, and that's the best time. You need that. So the next item here, this is an eyeshadow palette, and this is from Pearl Nova. So this brand I don't even know, but Wonder Beauty I have, like, I think I have tried something from them. This is it. Let me open her up here so you can see close up here. Whoa, look at the shades. It's nice, really beautiful colors. And the yeah, there's like no other name, but it says it's created to celebrate all skin tones. So it's little cute eyeshadow palettes, definitely nice. And this is all I received. So yeah, it is 5 deluxe samples in the here in the Ipsy Glam bag. So this is 5 in the Ipsy Glam bag, and then the Boxycharm is 5 full size. So now let's try and open up the next one. So now we are into the Boxycharm box right here, and this has the 5 full-size products, which I'm excited to see what I got. So let's open it up together, and I'm gonna have it here to the side, because yeah, it's gonna be easy for me to manage out of the box. So the first item is, this is from Grown Amiss, I think it's called. Yeah, and this is a skin renewal day cream. So let's open up to see how it looks. And oh, this is, oh yeah, for the face. Yeah, because this is a day cream, right? So yeah, and it has niacinamide, it has British mushroom. Yeah, it has good ingredients basically, and I love the packaging. It looks so fancy and easy, like for applying as well, right? So let's give this one a try soon, hopefully. But it's nice to have another day cream, because it's always a must, right? The next item, this is a Luna Magic Luxury Brush, makeup brush. And this is also a new brand to me. I never heard of this one before, so I want to see the makeup brush, because I love having extra makeup brush. I mean, who doesn't? Let's see how. Let's see. Let me take it off here. Oh, look at that! It has like nice stones here, and it looks so fancy, and it's soft, very soft. So this is one of them, and I'm gonna see. This is like, oh, this is really nice as well. This has nice little details, and I love the color it has as well. So yeah, I can't wait to try these makeup brushes. They're always nice to have, right? Like, makeup brushes are always in handy, because we're always using them no matter what, right? And right here, this is an ultra glow oil and lip oil, sorry, Eloise, I think it's Eloise. And this is yeah, the lip oil. Let me open it up. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Look at the applicator. It is so nice. It smells like watermelon. So nice. I would put it on, but I have like this lipstick on, and it's like, I don't want it to like go like around or something. So I think I'm gonna have to wait for it to use it. So this will be 3 items in my box. This is the 4th item, and this is, whoa, look at that. That is huge. This is the Keep It Clean, and this is Hydrating Gel Cleanser, and this is from In Beauty Project. I definitely have not tried anything from this brand, but I've seen it quite a lot. I think they have like, even if I'm like, I think they have the lip oils or something like that a lot of people have tried a lot and they talked about, and I definitely always say I need to try this brand, and I never tried. Oh, we're on the last product. Wow, that was fast. So this is an eyeshadow palette. Look at her. This is from Ace Beauty. So let's open her up. Let's see which side is. Oh, I got it. Oh my goodness, I love Ace Beauty. I have like the bronzer, and I definitely always pick it up and use it for like makeup looks and stuff. And let's see. My goodness, she is stunning. Look at that. Gorgeous shades. Definitely really gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I cannot wait to play with this eyeshadow palette. Like, I could really picture nice eye looks. Definitely. Let's open up the icon box. Now next. So let's keep it to the side and let's open up the icon box that I'm so excited to see, because this is the one that it is from Gwen Stefani. So this is it, and there's 8 full sizes items in here in the box. So let me see if I could. Yeah, I'm opening, making it more easier so I could take out items and have it everything ready for me. Let's see here. Okay, so there's like a here's a pamphlet. And see, where's Stefani? So nice. So here they say the stuff that you could probably get in your box. Look, so here is, see, there's items that you could get in your box, and there's an introduction about her, basically here talking about her a little bit and her brand. I think, yes, there's some items of her brand here, and see, there's still more. There's still more in here. Let's see here. There's a lot. So yeah, it's really nice that they included this pamphlet, because then you can see, you know, so many items here that you could probably get in your box. And there's even more, see? And lastly, this one here. But it's nice that you get a nice pamphlet here, because yeah, you can see some items that they say that you could get in your box. So this is really exciting, and there's so many nice brands, so definitely really good. Okay, the first item in my box for the icon is Saka Juan. This is heat protection hair cream. Woo. See, that's what I'm telling you, skincare, makeup, even hair care. And I'm always like into getting nice hair products, because it's nice. You always need something for your hair. And this is from Ren's Clean Skincare. This is a face mask. Wow, another face mask, which I am there for that. Right here, see? And it has Galactic Radiance Renewal Mask with AHA. So I'm gonna try this one soon, because here they have really nice products, and it's nice when they, you know, you get a little bit of everything, and that's a bonus. So these are the 2 items so far. The next item, this is from Gwen Stefani, and this right here is, let's see, hold on a second. This is an eyeliner, yes, and this is a blue water. Ooh, let's watch it. Let's watch this one. So this is how she looks, and I'm gonna swatch it right here. Hold on, right here. Ooh, I love the blue. It is gorgeous. Nice blue. Definitely really beautiful, the shade. Definitely so lovely, and very creamy. Like, look at the pigment. Like, it's so there. Really nice. Okay, let's see the next item. The next item will be, this is from KVD. This is a mascara, tube sleeve. Yeah, this is a mascara. And it's, of course, it's black. And this is how she looks. Beautiful. I love mascara. I'm all there for mascara, but I'm not gonna open it up, because it's better you open it up if you're going to use it, because as soon as air comes in, then, you know, it gets ruined. So it's better to open it up if you're 100% sure you're gonna use it. So this is Gwen Stefani, another item, and this is a lipstick. Woo! This is Tragic Me. Let's see. Wow, she is gorgeous. It's fancy. And ta-da! let's let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that brown. Let's see if I could swatch it here. Yeah, the shade is gorgeous as well. Really nice. Definitely a must. A must because I love when we get lipstick and I love all those stuff. I think everything is 100%, 10 out of 10, you know? Okay, so the next item here, this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is a spoolie, and this is brow freeze, styling gel brow freeze, which I also seen people talk about a lot, and yeah, and they say it really works as like 100%. They say it works really good, and I think I would love to give this a try because it's always good to have the brows staying in place, and this is like magic, they say. There's a lot of brow products that people recommend, and I need to give them a try. I've tried a lot of Benefits and I think Winky Looks, the pencil, but I always try to stay on something easy, simple, like if it's a wax gel or something like that, then yeah, definitely there. Okay, the next item, really interesting. Let's see. This is Mange Louise Marie. This is like a perfume. Oh, why is this like that? Let's take it out. Yeah, this is like a perfume. Look at that. Perfume oil. Amazing. Look at that. I always love to do that. Oh my god. This is amazing. I wish I had a bigger size. This is gonna go on my purse. And heaven. I love it. And it has amazing notes. Like, definitely. Yeah, and it even said here perfume oil, and I'm like checking around. So funny, I'm checking what it is, but it's a perfume oil. So nice. See what I mean? Like a little of everything. That's why you guys need to get onto the subscription, because you're like, if not, you're missing out. Okay, we are on the last item of Icon Box, and I'm definitely done for the month of February. And this is, ta-da, another eyeshadow palette, but this one it feels heavy. Yeah, the packaging is like heavy. This is it, and let me open her up. Woo! Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Gorgeous. Woo! Really beautiful. I love it. Look at the shimmers, the matte. Like, oh my goodness. I know I have so much eyeshadows now that eyeshadow palettes in me, that I'm going to play with, and I am loving everything I see. So, you guys. So I wanted to thank you guys for watching and for tagging along and here in this exciting moment for the Ipsy of the month of February. Let me know in the comments if you receive anything that you liked, and hopefully this month you do receive anything similar. If not, it's okay, but it's always good to know any comments of any ideas or anything that you say. Okay, I like this, or I tried this before. I always love to read comments and reply, because it's the best way to connect with you. So have a good evening, and we will be talking soon, and take care and stay tuned for more fun stuff coming along.